Sherry, the beauty about nature is that you should be able to go to anywhere around the world, but most especially countries that you know at least kò sí Fulani or terrorist tó máa jíyàn gbé. And when you look at our own country, we can say that for 61 years, it was built on lies. There's nothing to say that Nigeria is going to work. But what they've done is to continue to deceive Nigerians that Nigeria is going to work. And you keep asking yourself, when, how is it going to work? 61 years, we could not build security, education, welfare for the masses. And now 200 million Nigerians are waking up every day and they are no longer safe in their country. But we can be safe if we leave Nigeria, if we decide that Nigeria is not for us. But one thing is, it will only be done if we all say enough is enough. Koikimedia, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.